Bihar CM Nitish Kumar doubles honorarium for school support staff to boost education sector. IIT Kharagpur acts on student suicides, removes ceiling fans, introduces campus mothers. IIT Hyderabad launches Fab Lab, a major boost to India's semiconductors and microfabrication future. Transgender student enrollment sees sharp rise in India. UP and Bihar lead the growth. University of Hyderabad placements 2025, rupees 46 lakh highest package, TCS and Deloitte among top recruiters. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni. Today's top news are: Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has announced a major hike in honorarium for school cooks, night watchmen and physical education and health instructors. Cooks under the midday meal program will now receive rupees 3,300 up from 1,650. Night watchmen rupees 10,000 from 5,000. And PE instructors rupees 16,000 from rupees 8,000. Their annual increment has also been raised from rupees 200 to 400. Kumar said this move aims to motivate non-teaching staff and strengthen education infrastructure. Since his government took office in 2005, the education budget has grown from rupees 4,366 crores to 77,690 rupees crore, with major progress in teacher recruitment and infrastructure. The CM emphasized the vital role of support and staff in the development and said that the hike will boost their morale and dedication. In response to rising student suicides, including 4 in 2024, IIT Kharagpur has launched urgent mental health reforms. The institute is removing ceiling fans from all 21 hostels to reduce access to means of self-harm following the death of 21-year-old student Rita Mondal. Director Suman Chakraborty emphasized this measure isn't a cure but life-saving difference during crisis. A broader mental health initiative includes 24/7 support with on-campus psychiatrist, barcode counseling helplines on the hostel doors, monthly parent check-ins and the introduction of campus mothers, female faculty and staff offering emotional mentorship. A 10-member fact-finding committee has also been formed. These steps aim to shift campus culture from silence and stigma to proactive support and prevention, prioritizing student well-being. IIT Hyderabad has inaugurated a cutting-edge microfabrication and semiconductor lab, Fab Lab, under the Department of Science and Technology's PERS scheme. This facility marks a pivotal step in India's push for semiconductor self-reliance, offering advanced tool for chip design, fabrication and characterization. Led by Dr. Afdab Hussain, the lab features UV lithography, sputtering systems, SEM, EDS and MM-wave testing equipment like VNAs and signal analyzer, enabling work on 5G automotive radar and biosensors. The lab will support interdisciplinary research, offer specialized training and be open to regional users. Aligned with India's semiconductor mission, Fab Lab aims to build talent and foster innovation, turning IITH into hub of next-gen chip research and development in both academia and industry. Transgender student enrollment in Indian schools and universities has significantly increased. According to data tabled in Rajya Sabha, school enrollment rose from 155 in 2021 to 2022 to 965 in 2023-24, a six-fold jump. Uttar Pradesh has 327 and Bihar has 282 led school enrollment, while Rajasthan and West Bengal saw declines in higher education. Enrollment rose from 302 in 2020-21 to 1,448 in 2022-23 academic year. Uttar Pradesh again topped with 369 students, followed by Maharashtra with 158 and Madhya Pradesh with 124. Despite progress, states like Nagaland, Ladakh and Lakshadweep reported minimal or no transgender enrollment. The Ministry of Education emphasized the need for sustained policy support, institutional inclusion, and awareness to ensure not only enrollment but long-term retention of transgender students in the education system. The University of Hyderabad concluded its 2024-25 placement session with record of high annual package rupees 46 lakh, more than a double last year's 17.89 LPA. The top offer was secured by an MTech student from the School of Computer and Information Science. A total of 550 students were placed across 180 top public and private organizations. Key recruiters included TCS, Deloitte, Oracle, Intel, Teradata, Novartis, Exim Bank, and Accenture. Sectors spanned IT, analytics, finance, education, and research. Despite market challenge, the university leveraged alumni networks and online platforms to ensure success. Placement head Professor Chetan Srivatsava and coordinator Prerna Akhauri highlighted ongoing upskilling initiatives and future collaboration opportunities for recruiters seeking skilled talent from University of Hyderabad.